Plug that boy in. Fucking hell. This was fucking scary. Jeez. What is up, guys? Good morning. This video is going to be something a little different. So I've got a couple of days off and I've come down to my parents. So I have got a couple of days off and I've come down to my parents to help them out build a new shed. So they've ordered a new shed which is going to be arriving in a couple of days time. So I'm going to be videoing the whole process of knocking this down, putting a new base in and building the new shed. It will take a couple of days and it will be several videos as well. But yeah, I guess let's begin. So the plan for today is clearing out what's in that shed, and I don't even, it is messy. So clear out the old shed, and maybe today or tomorrow we'll knock that down and lay the base down. So this shed is currently I think is a 6 foot by 8 foot shed, and the shed that they've ordered, as far as I'm aware, is an 8 foot by 12 foot. So it's going to be a lot bigger, and the base is going to be a lot bigger. So yeah, let's start clearing out the old shed. So as you can see here, we have got a lot of things to clear out. We've got a broccoli plant on there. This is it. We're gonna have a look what's inside. I've not had a look, but I know it's gonna be a clutter. Oh my god, guys, we have got our work cut out for us. So that's all gonna have to come out, put on the side, and yeah, start clearing, I guess. There is so much stuff in that shed, I don't even know where to start. Spot there, working from home. Look at all the stuff that's just come out of the shed. Got 2 bikes, a table, all sorts of camping stuff, 2 lawn mowers, 2 hedge trimmers. Fucking hell. And I'm not even finished yet, there's still a lot more to go. Guys, there's too much shit here. I've injured myself. Guys, look at that. Who remembers these of Mice and Men?
And I get the Tinder wrap.
Literally all of my works are here stored. Got a folder there, all sorts. I'm gonna have a look, see what we've got. So that is all of the stuff out of the shed. So as you can see, the shed is now finally empty. Oh god, that wasn't so bad actually. So as you can see, a lot of the stuff in the shed is rotting. We had this shed, I think this shed has been here way even before we moved in this place, and we've been in this place for almost 15-18 years. So yeah, it needs a revamped shed. So look, we just topped up all the stuff there, so it's very grotty. So the next step is to get rid of all of this stuff. Dad's currently at work, so he doesn't know I'm gonna cut all of this up. I'm sorry, Dad. It's gotta go. It's gotta go anyway because the new shed is 12 feet, so it will cover all of these area here. So yeah, he's gonna come back and he's gonna see all of his plants are gone. Sorry, Dad. So that was it, all of the broccoli stuff. Would you believe it, those were all broccoli. They've gone so large that you don't even know what they are. And I didn't know there was pots under here because the broccoli is just overgrown. Anyway, it's all gone, it's too late now. So we'll see what Dad's reaction is like when he gets back and he sees all of his broccolis are gone. So yeah, that's all gone. It wasn't that hard actually. So we'll just clear everything up and then hopefully start knocking down the shed. We are just taking a quick break because it's getting very hot. So we've sorted out the stuff that we're going to throw away. So all of these stuff are going to go in the bin, and the stuff that we're going to keep is on there where the patio is. So if it rains, we could just cover that up. Taking the doors off. Well, I can't really do much because my mum is currently sleeping from a night shift. We are now all packed up. So I'm going to take this to the recycling centre. To the tips. So we are now on the way to the recycling centre. Got all the stuff at the back to clear up the place before we start knocking down the shed. And I have also just ordered a reciprocating saw because if we had to knock every panel down, it's going to take a long time. So just to make our job just a little bit easier, I got ourselves a reciprocating saw. Is it from us at the recycling centre. My camera died. I had so much planned videoing, but anyway, I'm using my phone now so we could document most of the things. Yeah, so we weren't actually, I wasn't actually allowed out. Apparently there was only one person allowed out, so Dad pretty much had to do everything. It is what it is.
Poor me.
Good exercise, isn't it, Dad?
Very poor me.
So anyway, we are heading to B&Q now to collect the reciprocating saw. So yeah. Now heading home, we have got the McAllister reciprocating saw. So yeah, we are back in action. Got Dad still driving. Yeah. a right bad boy. Just a little progress report. All the side panels are gone. Got Dad hammering away. Just getting me started. So yeah, pretty much nearly done now. Quick work. So a little progress report. We are pretty much done. All of the paneling of the shed is done. As you can see, this is where it all rotted away, so that's why we needed to change it. And we are about to pull the shed down. That's just going to take all the reinforcements away. Come on.
Chupapi muñeño.
So it is about 7 o'clock now. That is it, I think, for day one. We're just going to leave the shed hanging like that, so tomorrow I could chip away while Dad's at work. And yeah, I suppose we better let our neighbours sleep.